Lady, you are getting married today. I want to pray for you. You are going to be a good wife to your husband. Like I always tell you, you'll be a good wife, good mother. You are leaving our house to another person's place. I'm a good wife to your father and a good mother to you. You will be a good wife to your husband and a good mother to your children. It's going to be well with you. And God is going to keep you and your husband in health, happy. You will raise your children up better than I did for you. God will bless your marriage. God bless you. You are living for good. You are living for good. You are living for good. You'll be a good wife. Like I said, I've always been telling you, your name is Oroma. Your father calls you lady, and I join him to call you lady. You are a blessing already to your husband and to your family, to your children. You will have boys and girls. And you will be saved in childbirth. Amen. I was saved 7 times, then I had 8 children. I went into the labor room for 7 times, and God blessed me with 8 children. So you'll be more blessed. You'll be saved. You will not have any problem in childbirth. To be well with you. You will give birth to boys and to girls. And above all, you will continue to be a blessing to your husband and to your children. This is my prayer for you today. It is well with you. You continue to be a blessing to the Ibobo family and to the Chukus. You will make us proud because I made my parents proud. So you make us proud. God bless you, my daughter. God bless you.